Hey guys, Roland with Impress Computers. I wanted to alert you to one of the new threats that are out there at the moment. A cyber criminal gang by the name of Biden Cash have basically taken 2.2 million credit card information and published them on the dark web. So they've got people's credit card numbers, their address, their phone numbers, their social security numbers, CVV number on the back. They've got everything related to that credit card information, and they're using it right now. It's extremely important that you log into your bank. You make sure that you set up for alerts every time your credit card is used, and you really want to have a dark web scan done. We post about it on our blog here, and we've got an option in that blog to also do a dark web scan. We're offering that for free at the moment because of the seriousness of the situation. We even saw it happen here, where what the bad guys were doing were they were purchasing laptops from our store. They had the person's correct name, the address, but they used a different email and phone number. And what they were doing is that when they got the tracking number, they would then go to UPS or FedEx and they would put in a pickup location. What they then do is that they would go to that location, pick up the laptop. So that's how they're getting around having the address, the correct address of the legitimate owner, but redirecting it so they can get it from a pickup location, and they're getting away with it. So it's extremely important. Set up the alerts, do a dark web scan, and you may want to just put everything on high alert because your information could be out there without you realizing it. If you've got any questions, give us a call, 281-647-9977.